Today, India is the fourth market in the automotive industry and will become the third one very soon. India has a population of 1.2 billion people, and the demand for cars is going to increase very soon. At the same time, they will jump probably from the internal combustion engines to electric engines, and new players, as it happened in other countries, will come to the market. We want to be there when it's going to happen. Therefore, we are participating to New Delhi Auto Show next February with a booth in order to show not only our presence, but our know-how and competences.
Today we are at an extraordinary moment for car design history. In fact, today, many new industrial countries have the chance to join the electric car innovations and have their new fleet of car of brand new technology, which is a lot more accessible than what used to be on thermic engine, and bring to the people non-polluting cars, great design, very flexible, and this of course needs an initial investment and new companies, new technologies, and embrace the culture of each and every country. In fact, at Icona, we have been embracing that multicultural activity with our studios that are located in 3 locations on 3 continents in the world, and our designers that are working as close as possible to the clients and to adapt to their needs directly. Of course, we're an Italian design house, and as such, we can say that we are very familiar with these design services that we can propose to car manufacturers all over the world. We are an example of this, but certainly a very international one as well. I believe that India is at a key moment now, and we would love to be able to join that very key moment of the innovations for the next generation of electric cars. This is why we are coming to Delhi now.